In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to create a new directory in your repository directly through the web interface. Let's get started with the simple process. First, navigate to your repository and look for the Add File button. Go ahead and click on it to see your options. From the drop-down menu, you'll want to choose Create New File to get started. Here's the key part. In the file name field, type your desired directory name followed by a /, then the file name. For example, new folder/readme.md will create both the folder and the file. Notice how the path automatically structures itself into a directory with your file nested inside. This is how directories are created in the web interface. You can add some content to your file now, or leave it blank for the moment. It's entirely up to you. Once you're ready, scroll down and click the Commit Changes button. A dialog will appear asking you to describe your changes. Add a meaningful commit message so you and your team understand what was added. Confirm your changes by clicking Commit Changes one more time. Perfect! Your new directory is now part of your repository. Click on the folder to explore what's inside. You'll see your directory with the file you created, now fully visible and accessible in your repository structure. That's all there is to it. You now know how to create directories directly in your repositories without using the command line. Feel free to run through this again anytime.